Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this Python video programming series of video shorts, we are going to see a problem based on dot format method. Okay, we are going to print a report card, take a student name, okay, and marks as input and print a formatted message using a dot format. Okay, so basically we are going to just get the report card message. Okay, we are going to just get name, subject and marks. We need to print out the data with the help of dot format method. Let's say I'm going to give the name here as Kajal. Let's say I have the subject I'm having here, let's say for computers. Okay, and I can have the marks here, that would be, let's say, 80. So I can just use a variable with the message which is going to just get the student. We're going to use the placeholder has scored. I'm going to use another placeholder marks in. I'm going to use another placeholder for marks, right? And let's just try to use the dot format method, and let's just try to pass the name. Else we have the subject. Else we have the marks, right? So if I'm just going to print out simply my message, what I did, I've taken my name as Kajal, I've taken the subject as computers, I've taken the marks, right? By the help of message variable, we have stored the answer. A student, placeholder that means Kajal, has scored, placeholder that means computers, marks in, okay, scored would be 80, okay, 80 marks in. We can have another placeholder that is nothing but the computers, right? If I'm trying to run the program, so we just got the answer, you can see here. So this is how beautifully you can just use out your dot format method and you can just try to get the answer. I hope guys this is going to be a useful program for you to understand it in a better manner. Thank you for